language explorers. Welcome to the very first episode of Learning English with Garriet. I'm thrilled to have you here as we kickstart our journey into unraveling the mysteries of English language. Today, we are diving into a topic that lays the foundation for clear communication: word order. In English, we usually follow a fixed word order: subject, verb, object. That's the basic formula. Subject is the who or what of the sentence. Verb is the action or state. And object is the who or what the action is directed towards. Let's walk through some examples to make things super clear. She sings songs. She, subject. Sings, verb. Songs, object. They are watching a movie. They, subject. Are, verb. Watching, object. A movie, object. He likes ice cream. He, subject. Likes, verb. Exercise. Arrange the words to form grammatically correct sentences. Loves. She. Dancing. She loves dancing. Plays. Guitar. He. The. He plays the guitar. Enjoy. We. Hiking. The. In. Mountains. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. 2. Like. I. Read. Books. I like to read books. Swimming. Don't. I. Like. I don't like swimming. See how it works? It's like building with blocks. You put the subject first, then the verb, and finally the object. It's like telling a little story in each sentence. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriative verbs like, love, enjoy, in the correct form. She, to paint beautiful landscapes. She loves to paint beautiful landscapes. They, playing soccer every weekend. They enjoy playing soccer every weekend. We, watching movies on Friday nights. We enjoy watching movies on Friday nights. He, spicy food, but he sushi even more. He likes spicy food, but he loves sushi even more. But hey, don't think it's always this simple. English loves to add some extra flair, especially when we are asking questions. When asking a question, we often switch the subject and verb around. For instance, she sings songs. Does she sing songs? Does, verb. She, subject. Sing, object. Songs, object. And guess what? You've just turned a statement into a question. Magic, right? Also, don't forget about those helpful little words called adverbs. They add extra details to your sentences. Adverbs usually come after the verb, but before the object. She sings beautifully. She, subject. Sings, verb. Beautifully, adverb. She sings beautifully. They are really enjoying the party. They, subject. Are, verb. Really, adverb. Enjoying, verb. The party, object. They are really enjoying the party. So, to wrap it up, English word order is like a puzzle where every piece has its place. Subject, verb, object. That's your trusty blueprint. And when questions or adverbs enter the scene, a little rearranging might be needed. Task: rearrange the words to create grammatically correct sentences. Pay attention to the word order and the use of adverbs. A. Watched. They. Movie. Yesterday. They watched a movie yesterday. Enjoy. She. Cooking. Italian. She enjoys cooking Italian. Singing. Beautifully. He. The. Song. He sings the song beautifully. Like. Do. Playing. Video games. You. Do you like playing video games? Remember, language is all about practice. So, take this knowledge, apply it to your conversations, and watch your sentences transform into masterpieces. And hey, if you feel like I'm speaking too quickly, don't hesitate to use those video controls to slow things down. That's a wrap for our first lesson. Thank you for enjoying me today. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll catch you in the next video where I'll tackle another exciting aspect of the English language. Until then, happy learning!